Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report for Brian in Florida on the Stryker 655 HP. Brian got it ready to go, basic tune alignment on this one. Sporting this carbon fiber static 636L. Real nice feeling in your hand there. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. There's your 2 watts all the way down, full adjustability, side to run an amp. 20 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, about 30 bird with the old noise canceling mic. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello. About 77 peak. Alright, Brian, we'll get it out to you, man. Pleasure on this end for sure from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.